Hi cuties! So guys, day 29 na. Isang araw na lang ng Project Ligo Everyday OMG. So for today, medyo tanghali na nagising ang ate nyo as usual. And actually pagising ko, ayan, umuwi na si Sol. So ibig sabihin, tanghali na talaga. Ayan, ito na nga si Colette, naka-civilian pa rin. Wala pa rin siyang uniform during this time. Pero okay lang because look at her, super duper cute pa rin, di ba? Siyempre pagdating niya, interview muna tayo. Kinakamusta ko siya, tinatanong ko kung anong nangyari sa school, anong ginawa nila, kung kumusta yung araw niya. So basically, kailangan natin ng full report from our little student. And while all of this was happening, may progress na naman tayo sa kitchen renovation. Today, kinakabitan nila yung ibang cabinets and guys, look at all that storage. Nakaka-excite talaga makita na unti-unti nang nabubuo yung kitchen pero marami pa silang gagawin dyan. So, hindi pa yan yung final look. Stay tuned because excited na rin ako makita kung ano yung magiging itsura niya once everything is finished. So, basically, buong araw sila nagkabit ng cabinets and ako naman, nagkatrabaho sa gitna ng chaos. As in, literally, may nagbubutas, may nagkakabit, may mga gamit everywhere and there I am, work lang tayo girl. At this point, sanay na yata ako magtrabaho kahit anong nangyari sa paligid ko. And then pagdating ng gabi, lumabas naman kami because may kukunin akong mga t-shirt na ipinaprint ko. I ordered them from my elementary classmate na taga Alfonso lang din. And nung nakuha ko na, ang ganda ng print, in fairness, I love it. So, ilink ko dyan sa baba yung Facebook page nila if you need printing services. I highly recommend them guys. After picking up the shirts, since nasa labas na rin naman kami, we decided to eat at the Chinese restaurant here in Tagaytay. And ayan na naman tayo, may bago na naman tayong kachikahan. We ended up talking to the owner and he told us that he's originally from Hong Kong pero matagal na raw siyang living here. Grabe, ang dami niyang kunento sa amin. And natatawa talaga ako kasi parang kahit saan kami pumunta, lagi kaming may nakakausap na owner. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. Pero talagang nag-open up sila sa amin. Siguro nakikita nila sa mukha namin na madaldal din kami. Ganun. But honestly, nakakatuwa rin because you get to hear little stories about people and how they ended up here. So then finally, food time. And in fairness guys, masarap yung food nila. So ayan, kain-kain, chikahan. And that was pretty much how we ended our night. And just like that, day 29 is done. Guys, can you believe it? Tomorrow is day 30. The last day of Project Ligo every day. Parang kailan lang day 1 tayo tapos ngayon isang araw na lang guys. So let's see kung ano mangyayari sa final day. Thank you so much for watching and for staying with me hanggang day 29 cuties. See you tomorrow for day 30. Bye!